Use this method to take a function with a callback and convert it to a promise. Here we have an async function called greeting. Inside this function, we want to read a file called greeting.txt, which says hi from 3 cells, and we want to print the contents of the file. From the fs module, we are going to use the function fs.readFile, which takes in the path to the file, some options, and a callback. What that means is when we call this function, the callback is going to take the contents of the file and do something with them. But what if we want to stay inside our greeting function and we don't want to write a callback function? How do we take the contents of this file and access them in our greeting contents variable? Well, we convert this to a promise. Let's create a new promise, use the function resolve within that promise, and now our callback to our fs.readFile becomes this resolve function we created. Error and result are just the standard parts of a promise, and then we assign this all to a greeting contents, and we can finally await this promise. So if we run this, we can see hi from 3 cells.